Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Curly Freighter, CEO and founder of Gondwana Testing Technology Circuits. I'd like to introduce you to my team of executives and operators of this mobility facility. Thank you. Mr. Zabala, will you step forward, please?
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ramon Zabala. I'm the member of the board of management of IDIADA, Applus IDIADA. Applus IDIADA is part of the Applus group, who is providing testing, inspection, and certification services to in all continents. And we are one of the operating divisions within the Applus group. As Applus IDIADA, we are providing testing, engineering, and homologation services to the automotive industry worldwide. We are delighted to have been part of this project for more than 2 years after having first met Mr. Carly Freighter and his marvelous team. And we are really glad to be coming to the end of all the necessary steps towards the implementation and to start this implementation of the project already. So as Applus IDIADA, we will be operating the facility, and we will be bringing our experience in working as a testing and engineering partner to the automotive world. So we know the trends because of this partnering with the sector, we know the technologies, and we know what the future mobility is going to require. We're not talking just about automobiles, we're talking about future mobility and transportation as well. So we are supporting the mobility sector, and we will accompany this sector through all new technologies, electric vehicles, fuel cells, and also towards automated driving as a whole as well. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Zabala. I'd like to bring to the podium now Mr. Mark Pinala from Applus IDIADA to say a few words. Mark?
Thank you. Yeah, now it's more than 2 years that I received a call from somebody called Curly Freighter calling from Australia. It was quite amazing to see that we were known on the other side of the world. And I don't know if you remember, but it's in my brain forever. When you told me, hey Mark, we are going to have fun. And Curly, I'm telling you that we are not only going to design the best proving ground and mobility testing facility, but we are going to make it having fun as we are having. Thank you very much for this opportunity.
Thank you, Mark. I'd like to introduce you to Mr. Hans-Georg Fischer, Gondwana's Executive Chairman. Hans?
It's a pleasure to serve this company as the Executive Chairman. I'm very pleased to stand in front of you today. It's a challenge on the one side, and it's a really big pleasure to be able to work with professionals like the gentleman from Applus IDIADA, with Mr. Curly Freighter and his team. And I'm looking forward to select more members for the team, and we will work hard to make this project a huge success at this wonderful site here at Wagner's. I'm looking forward to work with the community here, with all the stakeholders involved. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Hans. I'd now like to introduce you to Mr. Axel Decke from IEEE and Gondwana's Research and Development Director.
Curly, thank you very much for having this opportunity to be here. It's really a great pleasure. I'm a 40 years veteran in the automotive industry, working for 33 years with a big OEM, and now supporting IEEE and NGO creating all kind of norms and standards, as well as I'm representing IMTS, which is a global organization of companies involved in automotive testing. And Mark, you mentioned fun. This is really, for me, one of the key words. Automotive industry is fun. Yes, we are under challenges, we have to change. I'm 40 years in this industry, and I did hear this kind of challenge for 40 years. The automotive industry is used to that. Yes, there is no automotive industry here, but the modern car consists out of so much architecture software. We call it the software-driven car. Software can be done everywhere. Testing can be done everywhere. So I am sure there are big chances which have to be identified at the Queensland universities or wherever in Australia to create new jobs for the country, to make sure that this country gets an entry back into the automotive industry. Thank you very much.
Well, thank you very much for attending today. I'd like to thank all my guests and my team. Thank you very much.